start with the section 2. Okay, before I invite someone to join me over here, section 2. Right now, I'm gonna go. Not gonna take any question or answers because since no one is joining me, I think I prefer to be like this one. So step by step guide to start investing in stock. This is a step by step approach I'm going to give you. Okay, this is step by step approach. Please and please again. Please and please again. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm begging you in the name of God, begging you in the name of Allah, I'm begging you in the name of your God. Just do well to subscribe to my channel for me. Now decide on your goal and your risk level. That is the best thing I want you to understand because I made mention at this point that the goal, okay, your goal and your risk level is much more important when it comes there. So if you want to start investing in stock market, decide on your goal and your risk level. Hope you guys do understand because this comes over here when it comes to like this, just like I said over here. Let me give you my highlighter, laser pointer. You get to a place like this. You see the goals over here and you see the risk level over here. So if you are intended to grow faster in prices, so you should know the risk level is very high and then the goal is very fast. You have growth stock, so you have to go for stock like Tesla, Nvidia, and those stuff, or stocks that are mostly in tech. That is how you can grow very fast. Don't go and invest in stock like cocoa board. Masa cocoa board, say I don't want to talk about a lot of stuff. So don't go and invest in something stock like cocoa board. You are going to lose your money. Don't go and invest in stock like the bank. You're going to lose, or you're going to have a slow growth over time. So if you are something like invest in something like the technologies, you are good to go overnight. You can invest, you can grow your money from there. Okay. So once again, know that it is short time, so 1 to 3 years. Stick to safer options like mutual funds and treasury bills or fixed income first. So you stick to something like mutual funds, okay, or something like treasury bill, something like fixed income. So you stick to that first before you try the next one. So somebody may ask, how long should I stick to this for to understand them well? It depends on you. Or you can stick to them for like a year to know how their investment systems are being operated. Okay, before you can also continue to invest in other stocks. Right now, as I'm sitting here, I'm planning of investing into starting my international investment into the stock market. So my next stock that I'm planning to buy, probably going to be this week, is Nvidia. I'm going to buy Nvidia at 10%, I mean a 10% share or 10 a few percent. Did I say 10% share? Oh my god. I am going to buy a few percentage of shares, like you know, shares in Nvidia. So Nvidia is currently about 400 or something, heading to, it's not up to 200, like it's not up to something like, it's not up to a huge amount of money that you can invest. It's a small amount, okay. So also long term is long term, so we are going in for long term. So long term, since it's a long term, don't go and start with just huge capital. No, start with low capital, small capital. With over time, you can grow your account and to go. So something like, let me show you guys something like you can start with something. Why is it that no one is on my life? I don't even understand. If you can see that, why they come and go? Why? What is going on? What is TikTok doing to me, like? Eh, why is it that no one is on my life, bro? I tell money. I'm not. Why is it that what is going on? So and I think I'm a long term. This is what I want you to understand. So mutual fund stock is or it works well, can work well. Like you can make the stocks, you can buy different companies and you're good to go. Okay, you're good to go. You can grow your account. Hope everyone is doing good now. Hope everyone is understanding what I'm trying to mean by here. So there is one thing that you have to, the most important aspect that you have to know about when it comes to stock investment. So Ghana Stock Exchange market is smaller and then less security than global ones. So you can shrink more. But many companies pay good dividends, especially MTN Ghana, EcoBank, and GCB. These companies pay very, very good dividends. So right now, as I'm speaking, if you are currently holding a 29 percentage, like you are currently holding like 200 shares in EcoBank or like these three companies that I've just mentioned, MTN, EcoBank, and GCB. You are currently holding about 49 on EcoBank right now. As I'm speaking, you are holding 49. So that means that there is going to be an increase or a rise in your portfolio. And you're holding a shares with GCB, you're going to have an increase or a rise in your portfolio. And also MTN too, you're going to have an increase or rise in your portfolio. That is how it is currently on the stock market. Guys, it is very good and very unique to start investing right now. Okay, very good to start investing. So you don't need much capital. So you cannot buy shares directly from the Ghana Stock Exchange without license, or you cannot buy the shares without you having the license. So let me show you the license. Okay, let me show you before I show you the talk about the license. We talk about the license over here, but let's go to some of um, the things that you can also do over here. Okay, popular market that you can start as a beginner. So popular and beginner friendly one in 2026 based on market size, apps, and ease of use. So the most widely used, most recommended platforms to start your investment. Now let's go on this. I do recommend every blessed day. I do recommend this app, IC Wolf, IC Securities, IC Wolf. So this app, I do recommend it to everyone. It's available on App Store and Play Store. If you are using Android, if you are using Apple, it is available for you to stop. You just get it on your phone and invest in local stock with it. So the local stock, it is a Ghana stock exchange stocks plus fixed incomes. So when you go to this IC World, you're going to see what is called the local stocks over there. Okay, the local stocks, the MTN shares, the EcoBank, the GCB, different companies that you want to call your, you know, what again, different companies. Let me put it that way, different companies plus fixed income. When you go there, you are going to also see mutual funds available. You are going to see the treasury bills, the trade levels of treasury bills available. All of the three treasury bills that you prefer, you want to invest in, they are all available over there. And also, they also have you often have a minimum to start. So with that, you can start with a minimum of 100 Ghana cedis only if you are going to invest on the stock market. But if you're not going to invest on the stock market and you want some, you want to do your own investment, like you put money there and over time you withdraw the money, you're also going to get interest on that. Okay, you do it as savings, but over time you go and withdraw your money. You are going to make you also earn interest on that. As over time you make interest on that. But you can also do that. You can also start with as low as 10 Ghana cedis, as low as 10 Ghana cedis, not even up to $1, as low as 10 Ghana cedis, not even up to $1. So you can start with that and then you are good to go. So very popular high market shares. It's very popular and it also comes with high market shares and user friendly app for buying, for selling shares on phone. Good to go. So for buying and selling of shares on phone. So we have the Black Star brokerage, the Black Star app, also available on App Store and Play Store, also available everywhere. Then you can want to get it on your laptop, you can still get it. So it also comes with the Ghana Stock Exchange Market and the Wealth Management Services. Okay, the Wealth Management Services. So it comes with these two services for you. So it comes with minimum start with, it can also vary. So the minimum to start, amount to start also varies. It varies. So you can start with any amount that you prefer to start with. and we're good to go. And is it online app? Yeah, it is on online app and it's available on App Store, Play Store. The name is Blackstar app. So we just go and download Blackstar app on your mobile phone. And it's very good for beginners and also allow trading from anywhere in Ghana or anywhere in the world that you want to also, you know, invest on that. And then we have data bank brokerage. So data bank brokerage give you the Ghana Stock Exchange stocks plus mutual funds. But with the requirement to start, it gives you low. It's very low, which means that it gives you low requirement. You can start with as low as one Ghana cedis. That is how it stays over there. Very low. Okay, very, very low. So it's also an app, data bank brokerage. It's also an app. The app is data bank. You can also use the USSD to also, I don't know for the USSD right now, but you can use the USSD to also um, start investing over there. And it also gives you strong research or report for good education. Okay. And also, if you want to learn something about stock, if you want to educate yourself on stock market and those that you can try with data bank brokerage and other um, services like ICS, SIC brokerage, bullion, CDH. All these, all these are available as a general brokerage. Okay, they are available for you, and then some have apps, some are apps, and some are website that you can visit. Some also use the USSD code, and also some you can get some on the Play Store or App Store. Okay. You can check the full list of website that you want to. If you want to invest in stock, you can check the full list on Ghana Stock Exchange market. So starting with IC or Blackstar. So if you want a simple mobile app experience, download it from Play Store or App Store, just like I said. So after you are done downloading, this is the step that I'm going to show you. If you want to invest, start investing right now. If you want to invest, I beg, start investing right now. The earlier, the better. So open a security account, including CSD account, okay, which requires the requirement of your Ghana card or your passport. If you are not resident, then you need a valid Ghana card or a passport. If you are resident, you need a valid Ghana card or a passport. Okay, wherever you are, just any country that you are, just just oh thank you. Just provide your passport and your Ghana card, make it available, and then you're good to go. And also you don't need a proof of address. Some do not ask for proof of address. Some of the companies do not ask for proof of address. Some do not ask. Okay, some do not ask for proof of address. You can just start. What the most requirement is your Ghana card or your passport. That is what they're gonna require from you, and then you start investing with them. And then provide your details also. Provide your name, valid details, and then you're good to go. And then passwords, some also do require you taking a verified digital video to verify you at first. And also some also do recommend entering with your fingerprint or your email, and then you're good to go. Some also comes with filling online or offline forms for opening. So it varies based on the brokerage. It varies based on the account that you are going to operate or you are going to need. It varies. Okay. So trading account is for buying, either for buying or for selling. But let me explain this for you to understand very well. Some of the accounts or some of the brokerage or some of the site, when you are done creating an account with them, you need something that's called the Central Security Depository, the CSD account. That is going to enable you to trade on the stock market legally. So if you don't have this, you are not going to you will not be able to trade on the market. Hope you understand what I'm trying to mean. If you don't have this, the CSD account, you will not be able to trade on the stock market. You will not be able to buy any shares. So this is what you have to do. If you are done with creating your app and then your account, and then you have the money sitting in your account, and then you think you can't control the money, like you can't hear the money for that long time, since this thing is not ready. Some it takes to our like 2 to 3 days, within 24 hours to 72 hours, then it will be made available. Others it takes about weeks. Some it takes about months. Some it can take about a year and a month before you can get a CS account, before you can invest into the local stock. Okay, that's the highest of it. So it varies. It varies over time. So it is that the processing time is 1 to 7 days typically. So some varies. It varies over time. Okay. So that is what you have to know. So if just in case that you have not gotten your central um, security depository account, you have to find ways and means to wait before you can deposit your money into the account. So transfer money via money can be transferred when you're about to fund the account. Okay, when you want to fund the account, money can be transferred from bank to the app, or from mobile money to the app, or by check. Or you can also transfer money through different channels like OPay, and then different channels that that's like the one as you prefer, to the to the app to make your investment. And the money allow starting small, like preferring from 10 Ghana cedis. Many of the brokers allow starting small, like 10 Ghana cedis to 100 Ghana cedis to 200 Ghana cedis to go. It is very realistic for beginners. So shares trade in lots. Um, so this one I have to skip this one. This point is not for. And so start buying shares. Okay, use the brokers platform or apps to see Ghana stock exchange prices and place order. So trading days. Let me talk about the trading days. Market operates Monday to Friday. Okay, Monday to Friday. It operates within 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. That is when markets do operate. So popular beginner pick is Ghana MTN, and then some of the popular beginner applications that you can also I recommend to you. I mean, some of popular beginners, try to say beginners stock that I do recommend to you. And also, if you are new beginner into the system, start with MTN Ghana, start with GCB Bank, start with EcoBank, start with Car Bank. This pays a lot. They often pay dividend. Okay, or you can go into mutual fund with the same broker. You can go into mutual fund and then you invest into that. If only you have the money. Okay. I think this is the end of the video of my lessons to you. This is the end of my lessons with you guys. Guys, just like I said, if 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 you know you want to get rich quick, don't start with the stock market. It's not a get rich. It's not a gambling platform. It's a platform that you can invest your money. Over time, you can grow your capital too. So my name is Ken Osei Godfred. This is a short video. It's a short analysis I've done with you, and I thank